Hi, beautiful spicy family. Welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. Today guys, D Dawn is in the kitchen to do what? Yes, vegetable salad. And I will be doing two different vegetable salad today. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to do what? Subscribe, like and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D Dawn upload a video. And to all my YouTuber supporter, follower, subscriber, a very big warm welcome to you all. Let's get started. So it's a multiple salad, vegetable salad or vegan salad I'm doing. If you're gonna do for yourself, you can just decrease the amount of stuff. You don't have to be using everything there. String beans, 2 pounds of string beans. Carrot, 4 pounds of carrot. Bell pepper, 2 bell pepper, a green and a red. In Jamaica we call these sweet pepper. Here I have some cucumber, and this is very huge. 3 big lettuce, 2 head of lettuce, half cup vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 corns, and this is a young corn. Or cabbage, about 15 pounds of cabbage. I have the green and I have the purple cabbage. The purple cabbage is looking like this. Here I have some sweet relish, purple onion, 2 purple onion, butter. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of butter. So we will have some steamed veg and some raw vegetable. So with the carrot, you have to prepare all your stuff. The carrot, we have to scrape it. So you can use a vegetable peeler to scrape the carrot, or you can use a knife. I never like to use a vegetable peeler because to me, a lot of the carrot are my vegetable waste. So I like to use my knife. So you just want to cut the top here. This is growing, you know, so you can always plant it. Just cut it like that, and you're gonna scrape with the knife. Look, you see the difference? Clean and pretty with your knife. So don't worry if you don't have the vegetable peeler. The string beans, you're just gonna take the tip right off at the top here. There is a bottom with a point. Do not cut off the point. So just clip the top off. Just like this. You can put on your cutting board and you clip them off. So when we finish with the string beans and our carrot, you have to make sure you rinse them under water. We have to rinse all our vegetable. With, you know, in Jamaica we call this chocho. But one time I said chocho and my friend laughed, she laughed. She said chocho is you know, a female private part. But here they call it chayote. Chayote. So the skin is very nutritious. You don't have to peel it. Yeah, you don't have to peel it. You can just cut it and cook it. You can eat the skin same way. If you want to peel it, you got very thin, very thin, and you don't have to be taking off all the skin off for it. We'll finish just like this, and I'm gonna move on with the rest. With the corn, you just want to remove the corn from the trash and take all the ear off. Guys, did you know that the ear of the corn, it's very good? Yes, it's good for high blood pressure. You can use it on boiled tea. It's very good. clean the corn, clean all the air off. So these are the vegetables that will be steaming: the corn, the chayote or chocha, carrot, and the string beans. You want to have your pot of water on the fire. So here we're going to prepare the corn. Okay, with the carrot, I want to cut my carrot in style. So you want to get the carrot looking like this. So when we cut with that, then you're going to turn it this way. You turn it like this and you cut. You're gonna work on the chayote now, or the chocha. So I'm just adding it in with the corn. So just wanna heap them just like that, and then we're gonna go again and cut down on it. Okay, the string beans, we're just gonna chop the string beans. Just put all them together and just cut them. Cut them like in about an inch. Then you're gonna have some water on the fire to boil. Beautiful people, you're watching the video today and you like what you see and you are a silent watcher. You never subscribe, you never like the video. If you feel like doing so today, then go ahead. Do the BB. Yes, subscribe, like and share the video, leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching the video from. So now that we finished chop up our string beans and we have everything organized, we're gonna go over to the stove. We're gonna do the BB. Gonna add a little butter in. Put some butter in the water. When you're steaming your vegetable, guys, you don't have to use salt, because remember the food, all the gravy and all of that gonna have salt on it. But if you want, you can still just add just a little bit, just a little tip of salt, right? And now we're gonna have our vegetable in. That we already chopped up. Definitely, I don't want the string bean to become too soft. And they don't need a lot of time for the vegetable to steam. We're just gonna give it 7 to 10 minutes. And I'm gonna place a lid on it so the steam can penetrate the vegetable. So that is a steamed vegetable on the fire. With the cabbage, we're gonna rinse and we're gonna prepare the cabbage. We're gonna prepare the cucumber and all of that. We're gonna shred these. With our cabbage, we're gonna shred the cabbage. Right. So after you rinse the cabbage and all of that, you have to ensure that your knife is sharp. not so dull like the done. My knife is very dull. So cut your cabbage in two, just like that. And we're gonna thread the cabbage, and you're gonna go as fine as possible. And I just don't want it long like this, so after you finish you can just cut again, just like this. Guys, when you get to this, like the core, this is the heart of the cabbage, this tough part here. You can't cut this to thread, so you can cook this or you just throw it out, but it can't go in the thread cabbage that you're doing. After you finish threading the cabbage, this is all you're gonna do the carrot. You're gonna use this side of the great tip. And we're gonna, so this is a lettuce, and you just chop up the lettuce. The sweet pepper or a bell pepper, this is it. Also the red one, you just do it the same way. We're just gonna cut it just like this. Cut. You're not gonna cut the seed, we're gonna take the seed out. So when you do it like this, and we're just gonna cut it again. I just wanna cut just like that. Let's take the seed out. And I'll just wrap this, wrap it, so I can get to cut fine. Just like that. And this is the onion. Just cut thin, and then you're gonna cut again. With our cucumber, you wanna remove the end right here. This end, just remove that little piece right there. And throw it out. Remove the next piece. Let me get my next knife. There. And then we're gonna cut our cucumber. So mix in the vinegar and the sugar. Ensure everything mix out. Okay, now that everything mixed out, you're gonna put the vinegar all over on the vegetable with your sugar. So this is gonna add some flavor to it. And here, the sweet relish, just gonna add it in. Then you're gonna mix it up. So this is the steamed vegetable. So what you have to do now, guys, we got to strain it. So you want to strain the water off. Okay, beautiful, spicy, blessed family. This is a steamed vegetable and our raw vegetable salad. The vegan style. So give it a try, don't hesitate, and remember to thumbs up the video, like the video, share the video, leave a smile, let me know where you're watching the video from. And when you leave a comment, guys, it's always free for you to thumbs up and subscribe. There is no charge to subscribe and like. So I thank you all for watching the video, guys. Please enjoy yourself. Let us be our brother's keeper, and let us do the we. I see you on the next one. Peace and love from Didan Kitchen to where your kitchen. I love you all. Please take care and bye for now.